She's a good ride, this 2008, but not as good as the 2005 I took before this. This is when Nova Bus started to get cheap, 2009, late 2008. Anyway, now we'll go even older, we'll go for a nice old Montreal Metro ride. Hey, there's a Bluebird bus there in the front. Yeah, man. You know you're old school and you're looking forward to an old school Metro ride and you're listening to Bob Dylan at the same time. You know? Yes, sir. Right here on the corner of Saint Laurent and the Castelneau. Hey, there's no taillights on in that bus. Oh, there we go. We're gonna go a little short ride to Saint Michel on the blue line, la ligne bleue. Prochaine station, Jean Talon. That original O&K escalators dating back to about 1987, bound to be rebuilt. It's too bad this fucking thing's not moving. I get a nice moving view here, beautiful architecture, 1980s. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? It's alright, I can move slowly. I actually thought about putting music over this whole thing, but too late. I already started blabbing, so. And if I put music, once the metro's in movement, you're not going to hear me much, so I'm not going to do that. For you escalator fans. This cage is new. Maybe they're planning to put in the elevator in here. And the next train heading to Saint Michel is in... I'm going to have to zoom in because I'm visually impaired if you don't know me. 5 minutes? Yeah, the service on this line is not fantastic. Mind you, it's Sunday, so it's not better. Yeah. It's a nice station. I think it's underrated, even. Yeah. You don't want to be here at rush hour though, man. It's like fucking Tokyo subway here at rush hour. Kid you not. You know me, I don't bullshit. Got these nice carvings at the station here. Look like something out of a restaurant. Anyway. Anyway. Bullshit.
correspondance vers la ligne orange.
I was gonna go sit over there, but some fucker has got his music too loud. I hate that. Very disrespectful. The downside to technology. Gene Talon, as I jokingly call it. Look at this window. Why is this window so disgusting? Speaking of disgusting, look how disgusting this is. Hey? You don't see those precious azures all fucking dirty like that, do you? No. It is what it is. Or as we say in French, c'est ça qui est ça. Faber. Just like in Animal House. That girl is loud. Do I talk that loud? Funky Faber. Funky Fabre. Fabre. Prochaine station, Iberville. I would have been good with the announcements. I know how to make my, the words roll off your tongue, you know? You know what I'm saying? It smells like ganj big time. It smells like my neighborhood. And sometimes my apartment smells like that. Iberville. Metro de Montreal, the pride of Montreal. Yeah, man. Now, those of you who are not from the city, unlike other lines, there are only 6 cars on each train on this line instead of 9, because when they made this whole line that it opened up, they didn't. They thought there was going to be much more traffic, more users, but it didn't warrant to having 9 cars, trains. But that's changed though. So. Thank you for traveling with the STM. Have a good evening. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne Saint-Jean. It'll be 6 months before people say Bonne Saint-Jean. Okay, 5 months. Yes, the Azure Metro trains are smoother. They're very relaxing. But the seats aren't great, and there's less seats. And that's annoying. And they're too bright. It is what it is. It's okay, so.
N'oubliez pas vos effets personnels. Merci d'avoir voyagé avec la STM.
Right on.
Terminus. Veuillez descendre du train.
Get the fuck out. This is one of the things I love about this station. Actually, this is the thing I love the most about this station is right here. What do you call this kind of glass? This started like in the Art Deco period. 20s, 30s, 40s. And it's also on the whole wall, the exterior of the station. It's very beautiful, you know. Very nice. Great success. Now the train is going to go do its turnaround. Well, so to speak, start over, I should say. As we say in French, raccordement. Got this camera on the correct settings so that the taillights actually look red and not fucking pink. I don't know when the Azures are supposed to go on this line. I don't really give a shit, frankly. C'est long là. Look at that, eh? I saluted. No salute. No salute back. Whatever. Another reason why I'm wind up over here is because I didn't get to film a complete snow removal operation yesterday, and that's what people are counting on the most when they watch my videos this time of year. So I got one about I don't know, half hour ago, so on sale of that. So I figured since I'm fucking really wired right now, what the hell not? Try to find another one. And I'm around here because I've only filmed one snow removal operation around here. And a lot of them seem to happen more at night. I don't know why. Rebuilt escalators. Run. Sorry, did I say they were rebuilt? I don't know why I said that. I don't think they are rebuilt, actually. Bon. This one. I'm vlogging. I'm documenting. Man, I'm starting to regret having that fifth coffee, man. I had it at A&W. It's a fucking good, strong cup of Java, let me tell you. But too strong. If I have 5 cups of coffee, it's usually because one of them is a Timmy's coffee and it's weak. Weak, I tells you. Don't worry, just an eccentric. Carry on. There's the scrap. There you have it, folks. If you enjoyed my videos, check me out on Patreon there. Elton McFall, Elton like Elton John, McFall, MCFALL. That's also my email, eltonmcfall@hotmail.com, if you want to send me a little gratuity there, token of appreciation, since I do this full time, and I really don't make much money doing this. This is the glass I was talking about right here. They poured more fucking of this type of glass on this fucking building than most buildings I've ever seen with this type of glass, which is usually around windows and doorways and stuff. Anyway, so that's it. Take care. And that sign is supposed to be lit up. But anyway, so there you go, boys and girls. And have yourselves a good night. Adios. Sayonara. Bye-bye. Ciao.